Welcome to the Classic Dart Paper Airplane video. In this video, we will demonstrate how to build a classic dart paper airplane. This is the plane most of us made in school when we were bored. To build your plane, you will need a piece of paper. Are you ready to get started?
To begin, take your piece of paper and hold it in front of you lengthwise as demonstrated. Fold the two top corners down to meet in the middle of the paper, creating a 45-degree angle on each side. Fold the paper in half lengthwise, bringing the two 45-degree angles together inside. Fold down the 45-degree angle fold to meet the lengthwise fold. Repeat the fold on the other side. Fold down the fold you just made to the first lengthwise fold. Repeat again on the other side. Hold the center of the plane and open out the wings. This is what the finished classic dart airplane looks like.
Let's go outside and see how it flies.
Are you ready for your test flight? To fly your plane, hold the center of the plane underneath the wings. Ready, set, launch! Look at it fly!
Thank you for watching our video. I hope you were able to build your paper airplane and have a successful test flight. Goodbye!